Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. You know what time it is. So let's just do it. Let's just do it to it. Alright. Oh. Use a Tonic Studio Kit to make a card. Okay then. So it can be any of the kits. So that means I'm going to have to go back and look at my kits to see which one that I want to do to make a card with it. Alrighty then. Alright. I'm just thinking I'm going to have to look back on videos too because, you know, I don't keep all the kit stuff together. Like, I don't keep all the paper together. I keep it in its envelope. But like, I put all the goodies that come with it, I just put them away where they belong. So I'm going to have to go back and look at videos to see what came in each kit. First thing I think I'll do is look at the stamps and the dies and decide from there which one I want to do, and then I'll have to go and research to see what came in that kit to see what I need to use in that kit. Alright, so I got some work to do, so I'll be back once I decide what kit I want to do and get everything together. Okay, so I've decided which kit I want to use, and I'm going to use kit 28. I will link this video of when I revealed everything in it down below in case you're interested in knowing exactly everything that came with it and what you could do. You could make this cute little heart box, but that is not what I'm going to do today. I'm making a card. But let me show you what I used out of the kit. I did use 2 pieces of paper out of this paper pad. I used the polka dots, which I loved when I first saw it, and this paper, which I also dug. Out of the papers that they send, the long sheets, I'm using the pearlescent black, and the gold. I'm also using just their regular cardstock as well. And it seems that they have changed for America, for the United States, that this is our letter size, 8.5 by 11. So I was surprised at that and happy all at the same time with that. I also used out of the kit this die, these 2 dies to create my heart. Isn't that so cute? So I used the pattern paper to create the heart. And I've gone ahead and cut out everything that I need to speed this along, but I just made the base, the regular cardstock into the base of the card, and then I cut down the other 6x6 sheet into a panel to go on there. And then I've cut down a piece of the pearlescent to fit this way on the card. Okay, so now I'm going to be using out of this kit the embossing powder, and I'm also going to be using the crystal drops that came with the kit. There were other items with the kit that I'm not going to use. Now, what else I'm going to be using, and I'm using this stamp that was in the kit. It says I love you on it. Now, not in the kit that I'm using is this little tag die that I got from Sizzix, the Tim Holtz. I got that on clearance or on sale at Hobby Lobby. I'm also going to be using clear embossing powder. That wasn't in the kit. The Watermark, Versamark, and StazOn's black, jet black. So those are everything that I'm going to use. So let's put the card together. So I will begin by putting the panel down the middle of the card vertically, and I'm using the double-sided tape that came with the kit. I really do like their double-sided tape, by the way. I'm just using my mat there to make sure that I get it, you know, centered pretty much. And I'm going to put the Cutie Pie little heart on using art glitter glue. And when I planned this out, I forgot that I wanted the heart to kind of be up off the paper so that I could put the tag underneath it. Totally forgot that, but it ends up being okay in the end anyway. And I'm just going to use a baby wipe to kind of like, you know, get that glue off that kind of came through the little holes there. Now I'm going to stamp the card with my StazOn ink, the little tag, and I was going to use this block, and I did want to put clear embossing powder over it, and then I thought, oh, I'm not going to be able to make that look good, so I used my platform, and then this happened. Oh, really? That's just... So I didn't use the clear embossing powder because if I would have, it would not have looked pretty. So it turned out looking okay anyway. So, and then here is when I'm like, oh, yeah, I forgot what my plan was. So I just ended up putting it down on the bottom. I think it looks fine. But of course, you could use a little foam square to put the heart up if you want. You know, but I liked it like that. And then I'm going to use the embossing powder that came in the kit and use the little heart stamps that came with the kit and put like little hearts going down this band. What you saw right there was my homemade little embossing buddy with some cornstarch in it. And as you can see, the cornstarch did get on there, but it's okay. I just took a makeup brush after I was finished and it brushed right off. So no harm, no foul. I was proud that I remembered to actually use it because 90% of the time I forget. I used it to make the hearts look like they're cascading down the band, and I really thought it looked cute. I love this card. It was so fast, so easy to make. Probably took all of 10 minutes to make it, really cutting out everything and all of that kind of stuff. Of course, the longest part is deciding what you're going to do. But I think it looks masculine, and I think it also looks elegant. So it could be used at any time, really. So I really like it. And I'm using an old brush because I got some embossing powder. Didn't quite, you know, didn't work there. So, but I cleaned it off and got it all done. Now I'm just going to put the backing on with the double-sided tape, and I will use the Nuvo drops to put a little dot where the tag is, and also some dots going down in between the hearts. And I think it looks so cute. Again, so easy, so fun. And so this was the first time using a kit to make a card. Editing Gina here. Tonic's kit to make a card. Just wanted to note that. I've made cards with other kits, but not with Tonic. All the way with everything in the kit. So I really liked it. I really enjoyed this challenge this week. I'm loving this series. I hope you're loving it as well. And if you're playing along, I want to see your stuff. Please post them on my Facebook page or on here in the community tabs. So yeah, I'm so excited about the series. I'm loving it, and I hope you love it too. All right, y'all. Well, if you liked the video, please like and share it. That will help my channel to grow, and I would appreciate it. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.